This is how to repair your iPhone when it goes blank. When an iPhone screen goes blank black screen, it's often a software glitch, battery issue, or screen hardware problem. Follow these steps from simple to advanced to fix it. 1. Force restart the iPhone first fix. This solves most blank screen issues. iPhone 8, X, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, quickly press volume up, release. Quickly press volume down, release. Press and hold the power button. Release when you see the Apple logo, iPhone 7 Plus. Hold volume down plus power button together. Release when Apple logo appears, iPhone 6 South SE First Gen. Hold home plus power button together. Release when Apple logo appears. 2. Charge the iPhone battery check. Sometimes the phone is completely dead. Plug into a charger for 30 to 60 minutes, use a working cable and adapter. Look for battery icon, Apple logo. If it turns on, gives problem solved. 3. Check if the phone is actually on. Your screen may be off, but the phone is running. Call the phone, send a WhatsApp message, toggle the ringer switch. If you hear sound or vibration, give screen problem. 4. Adjust brightness, screen settings. Sometimes the screen is on but dim. Connect to a computer. Use iTunes, Finder. Try increasing brightness after unlock. 5. Update or restore using a computer. Fixes serious software crashes. Steps. Connect iPhone to a PC or Mac. Open iTunes, Windows/old Mac or Finder new Mac. Force restart and keep holding buttons until recovery mode appears. Choose Update no data loss. Restore erases data. Use restore only if update fails. 6. Hardware cause is very common. If none of the above works, the issue may be hardware related. Possible hardware problems: damaged screen from fall, loose screen flex cable, dead battery, water damage, faulty power IC. Signs: phone vibrates but screen is black. Screen flashes briefly. Phone heats up. This requires a professional phone repair technician. 7. What not to do. Do not press random buttons repeatedly. Do not open the phone yourself unless trained. Do not charge with fake chargers. Estimated repair cost Nigeria. Screen replacement, 25,000, 120,000 model dependent. Battery replacement, 15,000, 40,000. IC repair, 40,000 plus. Final advice: try force restart plus charging first. If the phone responds but screen stays black, gives replace screen. If totally dead, gives battery or motherboard issue. If you want, tell me your iPhone model. What happened before it went blank? Fault, water, update, charging.